Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thanks for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook fried potatoes and carrots. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Carrots 1 kg, potatoes 300 grams. Wash and peel properly. Fry 1 medium-sized onion in quarter cup oil on medium flame till transparent. Add 1 chopped green chili, black peppercorns 8 to 10, black cardamom 1, add carrots, add salt 1 pinch, turmeric powder 1 pinch, allspice powder 1 pinch, black pepper powder 1 pinch. Fry carrots for 4 to 5 minutes on medium to high flame. Add potatoes and fry again for 3 minutes. Add sliced tomato 150 grams and fry for 2 minutes. Sprinkle allspice powder and coriander, cover with lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. If vegetable is soft and tender, it's ready. But if it is still hard, you can add 1/4 cup of stock or warm water and cook till vegetable gets tender. Garnish with green chilies and coriander. We hope you will give it a try. Enjoy and share with your family and friends. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.